Good morning, afternoon, people. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Yes, yes, it's been a very sad day yesterday. The Queen had passed away, but that doesn't mean well, it doesn't mean we should change everything. However, um, we are like gonna try and carry on as normal, but there are a few changes. Tonight streaming on Mixcloud is still going ahead as normal. That's fine. And the day trading show is going as continuing as normal. So we'll be playing that now. While I am currently setting up my my games. So sit tight. We are now going to watch the day trader.
That is exactly what we want. Now, if you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please smash the like button. We only have 10 likes and we have 23 watching. What is wrong with that? Good morning. Loved your performance yesterday. Beautiful. Thank you very much. One of my subscribers on TikTok, one of my Luca badge owners. Thank you very much indeed. To you, SB211259. You just change your name so I know who you are. I can call your name out. I don't think you're called SB211, are you? Maybe you are. But thank you for being a subscriber to my channel and supporting my live streams. It's the members that support the live streams, where it's TikTok or YouTube. Thank you very much indeed. Smash the like button. All right, Photronics. Yeah, 2.25. I got to say, you were great yesterday. Well, thank you. Oops, a daisy. I didn't mean... Hang on a minute. That was a mistake. I beg your pardon. I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Apologise for that. I got to say you were great yesterday. Well, thank you very much. Now, for those of you that don't know, yesterday I put out the first version of God Save the King. Now, what has happened since I put it out? I put it onto both channels. The Day Trader and Martin Lucas. And what people are doing, they are leaving comments for the Queen, because it's part of history. It's going to be there forever, of course. Those videos will be there forever on my channels. And people are leaving like a message. And the video will remain there forever. So if you would like to go and do it, I have the two channels. It's like a book. It's if you like, my book of condolence, if you like. Here is the Day Trader. It's only 46 seconds long. Go and watch it now. Leave a comment. This is the Day Trader channel. And then the music, people that love my music more than the Day Trader, they are watching it over on the other channel. It'd be nice if you could do the same thing on that channel. There you go. There are the two links for the Day Trader and Martin Lucas. It's kind of, if you like, a book of condolence. People are leaving messages for the Queen. It's lovely, actually. It's really, really lovely. So if you'd like to go and do that and leave a message below or reply to someone's comment, be absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much for your consideration. All right, there you go. Let's carry on going through our stocks. Amazon, we talked about it already. Apple is up 0.93. Very nice. Robinhood up 4.55. I only have a very small position of Robinhood. But if Robinhood does great in the future, it could be $70 a share. Years down the line. But, you know, I'll hold the 22 just for the sake of it. Coca-Cola up 0.39. Johnson & Johnson up 0.1. Still out of the money. Google up 1.18. Microsoft up 1.13. Meta Platform 1.32. SoFi up 0.97. IonQ 2.67. PayPal 1.47. Rolls-Royce up 0.31. I'm still out of it. Walmart up 0.5% today. I'm up 12% now on this one. Absolutely incredible. We're coming up to our first commercial break. and we'll bring everybody up to date every 20 minutes. I looked at that the other day and I thought, how often do TV shows do commercial breaks? On average, between 10 and 15 minutes. So I do mine every 20 minutes, which I think is all right, isn't it? You all hate the commercial breaks, but unfortunately it's what funds the show. So anyway, I'll see you back in 10 seconds' time. Here we go. And we're back. U.S. railroad shutdown threatening industry counts the cost. Indeed, it does. Indeed, it does. Never good. We've got strikes all over the UK right now as well. But all the markets around the world are up. All the markets are up at the moment. So looking pretty good today. I'm expecting possibly 2% growth today. Target is up 0.63. Tesco is down 5. Overall, I'm down 4. Tesco, does anyone know why Tesco is doing this? Now, we know, obviously, it must be hard for the supermarkets because their prices and people are cutting back. But this is like a 5-year low. Now, Tesco's is our biggest supermarket in the UK. It's like Walmart. It's not going anywhere. Tesco isn't going to go bankrupt. Tesco is what supplies everybody with their food in England. It ain't going anywhere. So Tesco's is in every town in England. So it pays a good dividend, and I think this is an opportunity. Every little helps, yeah. That's right. I think it's a no-brainer to buy it down here. I've got enough though. It's 3.5% of my portfolio. There is a dividend paying out soon. I would have to spend another $2,000 to get my average down to 2% though. So I'm not going to buy any more. I mean, you have to balance your portfolio out a little bit. Canoe is up 3% today. Very nice. Still down 22. On up 1.53. I only have one share of On right now. Tilray Brands today up 2.12. That's good to see today. Ginkgo Bioworks up today. Sorry, down 0.69. 18%. I'm trying to get a re-entry point. Enphase Energy down 0.74, but I'm still up 8% on it. Even though I only bought in again last week, this stock continually makes money. Bitcoin SV is up 0.71. I'm still fearful that, well, I still believe, my belief is Bitcoin will still go down dramatically. Ethereum up 0.28. Now, if you've just tuned in today, of course, it's our cash prize giveaway. Every single Friday, it's our cash prize giveaway. All right, we do it every single Friday. So if you want to join us for our free cash prize draw, it's on YouTube, links in the profile, on TikTok. Come and join us. Man U stock is up 20%, 27% in the past month. I have no idea why that is. I have no idea why that is. I'm a Manchester United supporter, but I wouldn't buy shares in Manchester United. I'm afraid it's not really investment for me. It can be very memed and pumped, and it's not really one for me. I actually made it being Friday. Yes, you did. You are here for the cash prize giveaway. Hope everyone's entered the video, watched the video. So if you haven't yet, let me show you how many people are in the draw today. This is how many people are in our draw today. There are just 15 people. That is it. Let me update it. 15, 16. So open your newsletter. If you've not yet entered, and if you've not seen the newsletter, it might well be it's in your junk folder, because until you've opened it and checked it, sometimes it does go into the junk folder. Here is there is the newsletter. There it is. The Day Trader at martinlucas.com. You've still got a chance to watch the video. It's only about, what is it, a couple of minutes long? I think it's 3 minutes long, this one. And if you haven't watched it all the way through, you won't be selected. It's a 3-minute video. Whatever it is, you have to watch it all the way through. I think it's like 3 minutes. Leave a like, leave the comment. leave the correct comment. You know what the correct comment is, of course. The correct comment was community, of course. There it is. But I'm not going to give you the link to the video because you have to have the newsletter for that. Anyway, we will be giving away a cash prize this morning live on the show. All right. Excellent stuff. That's coming up very shortly. I'm expecting a green day today. Now, very soon, I think it's mid-September, 22nd of September, I think it is. So another week or so. And the FOMC report, and this is a very, very important one. Will we get 0.75 basis points? You know, this is what it's all about. Will the Fed feel they need to rise interest rates? Well, we expect them to. But will they increase the rate, or will it be 0.5%? We shall see. Anyway, throughout the morning as well, of course, I will bring you breaking news as we get it. If there's any news to share with you, I will share it. There's all kinds of news to share at the moment, of course, as you appreciate. And we can just listen in like this. Here we go. This is how we can listen in.
Felt, and someone once said to me that the Duke of Edinburgh never wasted a minute of his life, and I think the same could be said of Her Majesty.
So we will pop in from time to time when I see something really important to share with you, of course. All right, so we've got the news here, and I'll bring it to you as and when it's appropriate. All right, now if you've just tuned in this morning, thank you for being here. Good morning and welcome. If you click subscribe, let us subscribe to our channel. We go live every morning, 10 hours a day, and we'd really appreciate if you could smash the like button as well. That would be really, really great. I can see everybody wants the song because you all wait for it. I know it. All right, okay. 1 minute. I want 25 likes. Are you ready? Okay, here comes Chicky 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 Pow Pow. It's a #1 selling hit. Let's get the likes up. I need 25 likes. Chicky 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 Pow Pow. Said a Chicky 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 Pow Pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. Satoshi, stand up. Nakamoto. Real Satoshi, please stand up. Please stand up. We need 25 likes. 25 likes. We got 19. There's 29 watching. What's going on? There we go. Ray Thomas says, where do you find pre-market numbers? Well, your brokerage. This is my brokerage, Robinhood, of course, and Robinhood allows me to trade live from 6 a.m. in the morning. So I've had pre-market from 6 a.m. Aftermarket up to 7 o'clock, and then I have pre-market from 6 a.m. in the morning. So that's how I get my figures this morning. The overall portfolio, where are we right now? This is our overall position. Let's show you where we are right now. There you go. As you can see, we're up 0.64. I am actually expecting possibly a 2% growth today. 2% growth today. So let's see what happens. Our cash prize giveaway is in 1 hour and 15 minutes, same time as always. If you've just tuned in this morning, we've opened my book of condolence, if you like, for the Queen. There are two. There's one on the Day Trader and there's one on Martin Lucas, because there's the music fans and the Day Trader fans. If you'd like to go and click on this now, it's 42 seconds long. God Save the King, and leave a comment below. I'd much appreciate it. It's our, if you like history, it'll be there forever. The day that you left your comment for the Queen, it's one way you can do it. There is the Day Trader, and if you'd like to do it with all my musical fans as well, there's more viewers on the musical fans, on the music side of things. There is the music channel as well. So if you want to leave your comment on both books if you like. That's how you can do it. Okay. Thank you very much, everyone, for leaving your wonderful messages, and I will reply to everyone's messages. It's wonderful that everyone's doing it. Really, really nice of everybody. Ray, you're very welcome, mate. What brokers do you use? 8 o'clock now. We are just coming up now we're on the hour, half an hour to go before the bell goes today. Tesla, expecting a really green day today. The overall market is still rising. The global markets are up. For those of you that like to follow the global markets with me, I will share that with you right now. I know a lot of you like to follow that. I'll share this with you now. Here we go. We have S&P 500 is up 0.66. NASDAQ up 0.5. And the Dow Jones is up 0.61. There we go. So and across the world, the markets are up as well. So looking good today. Should be a good day. We should be up 2%. At least my portfolio should be up 2% anyway. Can we have a red or green day poll, Mr. Clocky? Yes, we can. You are a member. It's one of the perks. Mr. Clocky. I like that. Mr. Clocky wants to know red or green day. There we go. So we've got red and we've got green. Okay. I'm panicking. Am I supposed to do something like to sign up for the prize draw? No. No, Nickyboy Gaming. Have you read the email? Did you receive it on Sunday? That was last Sunday. Did you watch the email? Sorry, did you watch the video? It tells you. You watch the video and you leave the comment below the video and like the video. That's all you have to do. You don't have to do anything else. It's free to enter, free for all. Very, very easy. Not a great deal you have to do, really. I can't make it any easier than that. Good morning, everyone. If you've just tuned in today, we've got, of course, our cash giveaway. We do our cash giveaway every single Friday. It's coming up very soon. We have just entering the competition now. Right. Let me have a look. Let me see if how many people are in the draw now. All right. Here is the video. Here is the. It tells me, right? This is the word you've got to leave, community. There you go. How many people are in now? Let's have a look. 16, 17. It'll only register you if you've watched the whole video and left the correct comment, include the word community, and liked it. All right? If you don't watch the whole video, it won't count. All right. Let's go back to our main trades. There's nothing I'm buying today. I'm fully invested right now. Rio Tinto. I've got currently $150 worth of dividends about to pay out. The other 40, 50 have already paid in, so they're already done. But I've got another 150 or so to go in, so looking good. Virgin Galactic presenting opportunity this morning. It would need to go a lot lower before I buy any more. Virgin Orbit. Tesla. Everything's trending up at the moment. Rivian, down 0.89. I'm up 36%. Very happy with that. Lucid. Polestar. Arrival. Up and down. Bar coding again. This is all about good news. If it comes, the stock will explode. If it doesn't, the stock will crash. I'll lose $1,000. Simple as that. Amazon up 1.37. Apple 0.75. Robinhood down 3%. Sorry, up 3%, 2.97. McDonald's is flat right now. If you've just come in, good morning and welcome to our event this morning. Smash the like button. That'd be really great. We've got 32 watching. If we can get 32 likes, that'd be great. And remember, we're all about positive energy here. When you like the video, it shares the video. It promotes the stocks that I love. The stocks go up. We all make more money, right? No reason not to like the video. There you go. And subscribe to the channel as well. Now, we've opened up 2 books of condolences for the Queen. I have, on the Day Trader, this 42-second video of God Save the King. You can leave a message below the video. People are doing it. And if you are a music fan, you can also leave it on my Martin Lucas channel, which would be very nice. Now, this will be in history. These videos will be there when I'm no longer here. They'll be there forever. So if you wish to put your place in history and leave a comment below, leave a message for the King and our former Queen, you can do that. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much for your consideration. Excellent. If you just tuned in this morning, we are trading live. And we've got our cash prize giveaway this morning as well. We're also looking in on the news. We're watching the global markets. We are keeping on top of everything. We've got just 25 minutes to go before the bell goes. This is my overall position. As you can see, up today, 0.53. My Snapchat investment is up almost 30%. You say an investment. I'm very pleased you're up 30%. That's fantastic. I regard it as gambling. I'm not really a fan of Snapchat, I have to say, and I don't like the way the stock will bounce up and down. It's not really for me. But good luck. I'm really glad for you. I'm afraid it doesn't do anything proprietary. I would rather risk my money on Arrival, a company that actually can innovate and make money, than a meme stock which is will pop up and down with no real purpose. But you know, what do I know? It can still make money, right? All right, fantastic. Welcome if you've just tuned in this morning. We're going for all our stocks again now. Rio Tinto at 3.72. The overall markets are doing well today. I do predict a 2% gain today. Virgin Galactic is down. I could pick up some more at 6.06, but it seems pretty pointless. 6.05. I mean, it'd have to go to $4. If it went to $4, you know, I could double up, right? I mean, that's the way I see it. Because it isn't going anywhere. It's just a great opportunity. Anyway, Rivian down 0.89, heading up now. Lucid's holding up. I doubled up the other day on Lucid, got a reasonable position now, 80 shares. And now 80 shares doesn't sound too much, but if we pan out, we've seen, and I mean, it doesn't mean to say you should never look backwards, but we had a point in time here where several times we went to $55. That doesn't mean to say we'll go there again, but can you imagine if we did? I mean, that would be 50. That'd be like 3x, wouldn't it? 3.5. My 1200 would be like 3.6. That'd be a good position to hold. I'm not saying it's going to do that, but it could. It's got a great car. I love the car. It's all about ramping up, though, and I think Rivian have got more chance of doing that. So I'm not going to increase my position unless it presents itself again. I don't like the way Arrival is trading. It's a bit like Rolls-Royce. We could get stuck here now for a long time. Admittedly, I'm only down 4%. I could sell it all out, get my 1,100 out. Wouldn't take much. Wouldn't take much at all to get my money back if I wanted to do that. But it just needs. It's either going to get all of a sudden going to get a great announcement. You know, the vans are coming out, people are buying them, looking great, and then up she goes, 10x easily, or the news is they've run out of money and they're filing for bankruptcy, and that could happen, and I would hate for that to happen, and I'm going to have to look more and more closely this weekend, study more information on Arrival's balance sheet, to study Arrival's, you know, facts and figures in greater detail, and if I feel there's a very high chance of bankruptcy, I will take my money out. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, at the end of the day, I'm down $46. You know, just take my money out and forget it. And if it goes up all of a sudden, doesn't matter. My money's somewhere else, right? It's not like it's gonna sit under the bed. Anyway. You're very, very quiet this morning. Very, very quiet. If you've just tuned in, we have 2 books of condolences. If you'd like to leave your comment under God Save the King. It's a 42-second video. Leave your comment. We have 2 books. One, there it is in the chat right now. That's the Martin Lucas channel, the music channel. You might like to leave it there as well, under our musical fans. And then there's also the Day Trader channel here. If you'd like to leave your comment under this video. And, of course, it's in history. It'll be there forever. So if you would like to mark the occasion, first time God Save the King was probably sung in the world. Ever. In our lifetime. You have a chance to leave your mark behind, below the video. Coca-Cola. Up today, 0.32. The market's just falling back slightly. We're getting a bit of a drop, but I do feel, and the reason why this is happening, this is Virgin Galactic doing this. If I share with you my overall position, I'm up 0.41. I'm being pulled down at the moment by Virgin Galactic, but my balance is right. I'm still up, still holding. If I can, if Virgin Galactic dropped to $4, my portfolio would significantly drop. I'm just picking a number out of the sky. But if it did, I would double up. Mario, after subscribing to the newsletter, am I supposed to receive something else for the giveaway? If you sign up for the newsletter, every Sunday it goes out at 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Did you sign up for the newsletter after Sunday just gone? Did you sign up for the newsletter after Sunday just gone, or did you sign up before Sunday? If you signed up before Sunday, you'll have the email, and I will tell you how to find it if you can't find it. If, however, you signed up after Sunday, you won't have this week's giveaway. You will receive it on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. All right. Nickyboy Gaming says, has anybody else signed up for the giveaway? Let's have a look. It was at 17. I'll refresh it. It's now at 19. There we go. 19. There we go. A lot of people wait for today. They go and check their email today. I've noticed that. That's what happens. Anyway. Mario, did that make sense? Ethereum up 1.37. We've got the merger now, just a week or so away. Bitcoin up 3.35. SV down slightly. Enphase Energy up 7.72. just fallen back slightly. Ginkgo Bioworks. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a big crash on Ginkgo, and we're looking for very clear. Gracias. You're very welcome. My pleasure. So did you sign up for it after Sunday? I'm assuming you did then. If you did sign up for it before Sunday, the email might be in your junk folder if you've not yet entered. And the email you're looking for is thedaytrader@martinlucas.com. Let me give you the email right there. You might want to go and look for that. And you can still enter. You can enter until 1 hour from now. In 1 hour from now, we will do the draw, and that'll be it. All right, we've got 15 minutes to go before the bell. Coming up to the draw now. Coming up to the bell, rather, sorry. Time for a quick commercial break. I will see you back in 10 seconds from now. Skip the ad, and we'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. All right. In the newsletter, does it include Cornwall? Yes, it does. Did you read it? You just got to read it. You just got to read the newsletter. This was the newsletter that went out this week. This was the newsletter. Week 10. There's the information about the event in Cornwall. There's a link if you want to get yourself one of the day trader on tour in the UK, Dallas to Newquay. There you go. If you want to do that, and there is Caden Youngquist's link to his channel. I know many of you did that actually. He did get more subscribers, which is great. There we go. There is the email. We have no sponsor for this week's newsletter. If you'd like to sponsor the newsletter, it goes out to 246 people with a 65% open rate. If you wish to sponsor it, it's a $10 super chat. And you'll be the sponsor of the newsletter. You will get your link, your thumbnail, and your message in the newsletter like Caden did. So it can be a link to a YouTube channel, a link to a website, link to a business, whatever you like. And then it's a great way to promote your business or your channel or your interests, whatever. You'll have a thumbnail, an image, information, and the link. If you wish to sponsor that, it's a $10 super chat. No one has booked it for this Sunday. And right now it is 200 and... what did I say it was? It goes to what did I just say it was? Hang on. It goes out to 246 people. 65% open rate. There you go. 246 of the day trader. 322 have subscribed to it, but they've not verified their emails because they don't listen to what I say. But 246 have verified their email. Right. We're coming up to the bell. 12 minutes to go. Are you up? Are you down? The overall portfolio. We are running a poll right now, and we're predicting 64% say green. I see stock is doing very nicely. Ray Thomas. My ICE, is that my ISEE stock is doing well? Is that a ticker or? Jason Newman, sold all my Virgin Galactic yesterday, hoping to get in back around 560 if possible. Still think we'll see lows in the coming weeks. Then I shall load up for the spring test flights. That's a very obviously risky game to play, but makes a lot of sense. You can make a lot more money doing that. as long as it doesn't pop up, and then you end up having to pay $7, $8, $9, $10, and you start chasing it, thinking, "Oh my God, I wish I bought it at $6." It's the way I see it is this: you're absolutely right. Virgin Galactic could go to $4. It's going to fly. It's going to do well. We know that. But the way I see it is the potential of this stock massively outweighs the lows. It can go up to $60 to $100, no problem. So do you care that you paid 6, 5, or 4? No. Of course. On another hand, well, yeah, you go. Yeah, I do. And don't get me wrong. I would much rather buy the stock at $4 and have never paid $35 when I first came in. Of course I would. But the reality is, I am where I am, and it is what it is. So anyway, when I'm paid next, I'll put in a sponsor. There we go. Nice one. Yes, ISEE. Does not look good, guys. Could sell off today. We could see a sell-off today. Does not look good. I'm not sure, Mr. Clockwork. I am actually thinking of a 2% gain today. Dumping again on retail. You say that, but I mean, Walmart is up 0.42. Target is up 0.63. What's dumping? I mean, it's all relative, isn't it? It's what you have, what your portfolio is, I guess. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, Walmart, Target, very nice. Tesco is a bit of an issue. If anyone knows why Tesco is now at a 5-year low, let me know. Ask yourself why it's up. Because people are pumping it to dump it. I don't see that happening today, though. I don't see it happening today. I see a positive day today. Right, we got 9 minutes to go. Thank God it's Friday. Yes, we all agree with that. We're all exhausted, emotionally, physically. Absolutely right. If you've just tuned in, thank you very much. Smash the like button. We have 37 watching, 28 likes. Tesco is a nightmare at the moment. Ian Jackson, tell me all about it. Now, as we only have 8 minutes to go, we have our cash prize giveaway today. Of course, we're giving away a cash prize today. We do every Friday, every single Friday. If you're over there on Twitch, jump into YouTube, links in the profile. But we have 2 books of condolence for the Queen. If you want to be marked in history and leave your comment below, God Save the King, I have a 42-second video. And I have 2 books. This is the day trader video for my day trader audience. And if you also would like to do the same video, which is over on the Martin Lucas channel, if you want to speak to my musical fans, there is the book on the musical website. So it's a kind of book of condolence for history. That video will remain there forever. And it was the first time God Save the King was sung on YouTube, quite possibly. I don't know. And you can leave your comment below as a book of as a mark of respect to the Queen and the new King. If you wish to do that, you can go and do it now. It's only 42 seconds long, and you can leave a comment below that video. Thank you very much indeed for your consideration, and it will remain there forever in history. The Church of Logic, me too. What's going on? I am flat right now. Let's have a look. My overall portfolio is now up 0.44. Did you ever play on Royal Caribbean? Yes, I did. I did all the main cruise lines. Literally. And when I say all of them, I mean all of them. Over 37 years. Windstar, Crystal, the tiny little ships as well. P&O, QE2, all the big ones, all of them. Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Celia Line, Viking Line, Disney, Norwegian. I mean, the old flipping lot. After all the works I've done for my music show for tonight, I had to rearrange everything because of the Queen. Indeed. Nice one. Yeah, 195 countries. I've visited more countries than the Queen. Many of those just flying in into an airport and bouncing back out again, landing to get on a cruise ship or wherever. But nevertheless, private functions, weddings all across Africa. Yeah, I've been to more countries than the Queen. She probably stayed a bit longer though. Some of mine were bouncing in and bouncing out. But anyway, there you go. Still counts. Okay, we've got 5 minutes to go. Well, take me with you next time. There's no next time. That ship has sailed. Now I'm on YouTube. Virgin Orbit, still doing very well. 18% up now with my one single share. Damn it. Martin, you missed out on the Titanic. Correct. Mark, I didn't sing on the Titanic. Just as well. Just as well. Might have been a very short career. Anyway. We've got just 4 minutes to go. We're just coming under the bell now. And then, of course, we have the lightning round. Our competition, arrival. Oh, I lost arrival there for the moment. Let me reset that. I lost arrival.
Hello, people.
Let me bring that back in again. We don't want to lose arrival. Got to keep our eye on it. I'm not really sure that I need to keep my eye on it, because at the end of the day, the information that I need isn't going to be on this price here. If it goes up, that's great, but if it goes down, I need to do more research on why it's moving up and down now. I need to check their balance sheet. Does King Charles III have the right to rule over the government if he wanted to? Nope. No, he doesn't. Okay, we're coming up to 3 minutes to go. So, get ready. Bring everybody up to date. Here comes our commercial break. Click the skip the ad, come right back, and we'll be all ready to go for the bell and the lightning round. We'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay. We're all going to make it. We're all going to make it. You ready? Let's get ready. The overall portfolio is still up 0.25%. Arrivals looking good. If you've just tuned in, we've got 38 watching now. I'm looking forward to the day when we can have a regular audience of 100. I don't think that day is that far away. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button. We've got 2 minutes to go. We have 2 books of condolences for the Queen. If you'd like to leave a comment below, God Save the King. It's a 42-second video. There it is on the Martin Lucas channel. If you'd like to share your thoughts with my music fans or the day traders, or even both would be nice, there is it on the day trader. And it'll be marked in history. That video will live there forever. Right, we are down now. We are down 0.06. On Tilray Brands. We just spoke to Dexter. Does not look good, guys. I hope I'm wrong. I'm still seeing myself up. It's only Virgin Galactic that's bringing me down. We've got a drip of a drop. I get it. Right, here we go. A minute to go. I think, honestly, it'll be a green day. I'm pretty confident of that. Here we go. We've pumped to dumped, have we? We'll find out in a few seconds. The overall market is down at the moment. As you can see, let's hope for the best. Arrival. Let's get ready. Smash the like button if you want the stocks to go up. Positive energy. Bitty is down 8.9%. Few seconds to go. Rio Tinto, the S&P 500, the overall portfolio. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We are down 0.03. That's okay. I can live with that. And we're bouncing straight back up again. And here comes the lightning round. 0.18 up now. Let's go. You ready? Here we go. Arrival is up is up 0.91. We have Photronics up 1.73. Who's going to win the race this morning? We have now Rio Tinto up 3.22 and rising. My overall portfolio is up 0.25%. The Vanguard S&P is up 0.64. Virgin Galactic is down at 6, but now coming back up again. 609, down 3%. I'm not buying any more at these prices. I'm up on, back down again. And Virgin Galactic is going down. If I get a low price of 4 or even under 5, I will pick some more up. Virgin Orbit is now going down, but bouncing back up again, down 0.75. And straight away recovered. Look at that, straight away recovered. Virgin Galactic is also bouncing back. My overall portfolio is now up 0.17. Tesla is up 0.89. We've got Rivian's gone down 1.68. I'm still up 35%. Lucid is now down 0.33. No, it's now it's green. And I'm down just 5%. Polestar is up 1.12, 36% out of the money right now. Amazon is up 1.15. I predict a 2% gain today. Dexter Sickles, maybe right, maybe wrong. We'll find out soon. Apple is up 0.46, just dropping back slightly. Robinhood is up 2.62. McDonald's is down very, very slightly, but I'm still up 6%. And now McDonald's is up. Coca-Cola is down 0.05. I'm up on it slightly though, so pretty much on a wash. Johnson & Johnson is down, but coming back up again. I'm down just 2%. It's down 0.25% today. Google is up today 1%. The overall market, I'm up 1/3% now. Google is moving up now. As we move on to the final further, we got Microsoft up now 1.43 and rising. Microsoft is up 1.43. Meta is up 1.32 and rising. SoFi is up 0.81. We have IonQ is up nearly 3% now. I'm up 1% overall on that. 2.86. IonQ is pumping right now. Now we have PayPal is flat right now and back up again. Rolls-Royce up 1.86 to 93 cents. Who is going to win today? Walmart is up 0.08, just taking a bit of a dive now. Target is up 0.37 as we come onto the final straight. Tesco is down 3.38. Canoe is on the line. On Semiconductor is up 2.42 and rising. Tilray Brands up 1.21 and rising. Ginkgo Bioworks up 1%. And we have Enphase Energy down 3%. Opportunity to buy Enphase Energy. I am still up 5%. And on the line now, Bitcoin is down 0.61 and Bitcoin is up 3.14. Ethereum 1.39 on the line. We are up today 0.67. It is a green start to the day. There we go. Who was the winners? Who was the losers? Tesla is up 1.26. We had Rivian down 3% today. So there we go. There's our swing by about 5% swing today across my stocks. Amazon's up 1.49. Virgin Orbit is skyrocketing. Well, it's certainly barcoding right now. It's certainly algo trading. At least it was. There we go. It keeps doing it. I want to get in. I just can't get in at this price. Anyway, there we go. Come on, markets. Day trader. Day trader. I love it. Nickyboy Gaming. Let's hope for the best. So far, then, if we go over to the main portfolio, 42 people watching this morning. Thank you very much indeed, wherever you are around the world. We thank you for being here on this special day today. Please click subscribe, ring the bell. If you haven't rung the bell, ring the bell under subscription. Make sure you do that and notify all, as I have breaking news throughout the day. Sometimes you don't want to miss it. And of course, smash the like button. How many likes do we have on the video right now? We have 30 likes and 39 watching. So we could get another 9 likes if you want the stocks to go up, that is. And make it a green day. There we go. I predict a 2% green day today. I'm very happy. Now, if we cannot have a sell-off Friday, always very, very good. I am looking at this now and thinking, remember I said I believe high tech risk stocks, Tesla, Virgin Galactic, all these things have bottomed. I still believe that. The overall market may not have bottomed, and there may be more pain to come. But remember, your portfolio is your portfolio. Just because the general markets are going one direction, that doesn't mean to say your portfolio is going in the same direction. So anyway, and how I want to explain that is, if I look at my chart here, if we go over the last year, you can see on the screen, we came down from the middle of the chart, and then we started to rise again. We fell off, and the higher low, as you can see, was higher than the previous low. So we bounced back up again. It's continuing to bounce, and it's the first time since the decline of December that my chart has actually had a higher low. The first time. We keep getting it drop, it bounces and then goes lower each time. This is the first time that we've formed a lower high. A higher low, I beg your pardon. Alright? Right at the end of the chart there, the right hand side. So if we can get Friday to go above where it is in the all position, and it could easily do that. I do predict a 2%, but to get there it needs to be more like a 10%. But it could do that. We've had days when I've done 11% on this portfolio. You know, so there we go. We'll see if I'm right. I was right once. Now, if you've just tuned in, we've got 44 watching right now. Thank you very much indeed. Here's our overall portfolio. We are up 0.5 today. And here we go. Now, someone asked me yesterday, do you feel that the markets will react to the Queen passing? Well, since she passed, the markets keep going up across the world. It's got nothing to do with it. Nothing to do with it. The only thing that the markets have to do with this would be the markets like direction. They like to know where we're going, and but that really only affects. Doesn't affect when we knew at some point the Queen would pass, and then the King would, King Charles would become the king. But that isn't the same thing. I don't think it's got anything to do with it at all. So this is just coincidence. Someone asked me that yesterday. They said, the markets are going up. What do you think? But I don't think the Queen has anything to do with that at all. Arrival. Now then, 112. Very interesting. I've got a price of 1.8. I bought yesterday 500 shares. I could sell 500 shares with a 4 cents. Well, 113. Look at this. Just $31 out of the money now. Now then, if you've just tuned in, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin will go down to 10 grand. I got no doubt about it. LOL, Bitcoin is crashing. It's not crashing today. It's not crashing today, it's up. But I do think that Bitcoin will go down to $10,000. Arrival's going up, and it will shock many. And it will shock many. What do you mean it will shock many? What does that mean? When you say it will shock many, what do you mean by it will shock many? What do you mean by that? My overall portfolio is 0.5%. Now, if you've just tuned in today and you'd like to be part, in a good way, good. If you'd like to be part of history, I've opened 2 books of condolence for the Queen and to pay tribute to our future king, our now king, in fact. I have 2 books. This is one on the Day Trader. It's a 42-second video of me singing God Save the King. If you leave a comment below, it'll be there forever in history, and it'll be one of the first times, if not the first time, God Save the King was sung, and you can have your name on it. This is the other one I have on the Martin Lucas Music channel. My musical fans tend to leave messages over there. So if you'd like to do it on both, it'd be very, very nice. Thank you very much. Just leave your comment below, and you'll be there in history the very first time that God Save the King was sung, and you can leave your comments there. What tips do you have for investors that don't have much money to put in? Ethan, I started with $5,000. All right, you don't have to have a lot of money, and you can make money on $1. Well, let's make it easy. You can make money on $10. No question about it. It's all about percentages. We go live every single day, 5 days a week, every working day, and everything you see here is real. There are many, many channels on YouTube that are there for their own benefit. They're there to make money for themselves, promote their own channels, whatever. They make lots of videos. I make videos, but the majority of what I do is go live. And I go live to build a community, because this is my real money, all of my real money. I only have $2,000 in the bank to pay the day-to-day bills. This is all the money I have in all the world. And you are tuned in today with real traders and real investors who share with you their honest positions. We're not pumping and dumping. Everything I buy in front of you. Everything I sell in front of you. No one knows. No one has a crystal ball and knows where the markets are going. No one. Not a single person. All you can do is invest in a well-balanced portfolio with calmness, patience, discipline and structure, and get honest, real information, and that's what we provide here. Just commented on God Save the King. Nice to see all the nice words on there. Chris H, thank you so much indeed. Become a member, and you can add, and I can add you to my Discord channel and help. There you go. Yes, we have a membership plan here, not designed to make me money. I give you back 20 times what you put in. 20 times, and don't take my word for it. Look at all the people who are members. Nearly 95%. We have one of the highest engagement rates on YouTube per viewer, percentage-wise of viewers to members. Nearly every single person who watches me live every day is a member, because I do cash prize giveaways. I give away the money I make on the show. I'm live all the time, sharing my live trades with everybody, supporting everybody. There is the membership. We have 5 different membership plans. Just from a couple of bucks a month, you can be a member. And we'll here support you, celebrate your birthdays, do fundraisers for you. You can access Discord, and you can see all our trades, talk to our investors, all for being a member. Here is the Discord link. Let's go through the stocks right now. Once again, where is everyone in chat? Where is everyone in chat reporting from? You'd like to know where everybody's from, so I'm going to just welcome our guests in. My name is Martin Lucas from Dallas, Texas, even though I'm from England, Cornwall. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. Over on TikTok, do you do anything with crypto? Yes, I do. If you come onto YouTube, links in the profile, I'll share with you my crypto. I'm giving away a cash prize today. You can be in it. It's free. And if you want to be in our cash prize draw, I will give you the information very shortly. Thank you very much. My coffee's arrived. Thanks, Leah. Mr. Clockworks, I started with 20 grand, made them into 50, and then lost 25. But you haven't lost anything, have you, unless you sell out. Antarctica, DJ Benger's half-eaten taco. Welcome to you. God's country, Wales, lovely. Iowa, lovely. Everybody around the world here today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Cash prize giveaway coming up in a minute. Bristol. Thanks, Leah. Leicester in the United Kingdom. I was too greedy, buddy, but we'll make it back with interest. You will. Just got to give it time. Everyone gets their time. What's happening with Virgin Galactic? Nothing. Nothing. Remember what Warren Buffett says? Remember what I say. The red days are the days you make the money. The green days, you just go up. Once the stock goes up, if it's a good company, you just leave it. You just wait 20 years. Unless you want to get out of it, of course. But for me, I like holding it. Sid, 8 years ago I bought 0.01 Bitcoin. Still got it in my wallet app. I sell it and put it in my portfolio. Wow, Sid, check you out. How about that then? Same year I made $5,000 and refused to sell plug at $75 a share, and I paid for it today. Yeah, from North Sentinel Island. Lovely, Jason. Welcome all our guests. We've got a lot of new guests here today. Let me give everybody the Discord link so you can see all my top tips, my trades, my investments. You can call in live to the show. There is the Discord link if you'd like to become a member of our channel and receive all the perks and benefits. I guarantee you will love it. Nearly everyone who watches our show is a member. Cash prize giveaways, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. So many perks and benefits to being a member. Let's go through our stocks right now. The overall portfolio is coming up, looking very nice, look. Looking great. I'm up nearly 1%. I predicted today 2%. It's not going to be a sell-off. Arrival. It's all about balance of portfolio. This is great. Photronics up today 2%. Rio Tinto up. Great dividend paying out soon. If a stock doubles, should you sell your profits and buy more, or buy something else, or leave it alone? Well, it all depends on your overall portfolio, your belief, what your aims are. Too many people, from the comments I get, questions like that show that you don't have a strategy. You have to know what your game is. What's your target? What are you planning to do? What is your aim? What is it you wish to achieve? How much money do you want? I know exactly how much money I want, exactly how much I need, exactly where I'm going. It's all about managing risk. It's a balanced portfolio. Look, this is perfect. See, I doubled up the other day on Lucid, oversold. Polestar, I'm not touching it yet. Amazon. What is your opinion on dividend stocks? Dividend stocks, very complex subject. Don't just buy dividends because you get free payouts, tax free of course to a certain limit, which is true. You do, but however, if the stock loses money more than it makes in dividends, and there are stocks like that pay a dividend and constantly lose value, it might not be financially viable. But it depends. If you are at the stage in your life where you're investing, Jasmine coin, here we go. If you're a young investor and you need to grow your portfolio to reach the target by the time that you're retiring, you need to be in high growth stocks that have a high growth. Whereas somebody later on in their years doesn't need the stress, doesn't need the aggression, doesn't need that. They've made their money. They don't need the risk because growth stocks can fall away. Then you want something more stable and reliable because it's all about the S-curve. Does everybody understand the S-curve? Does everybody understand what growth is all about? The S-curve is a company come out and then it ramps like an S and then tails off. That's called the S-curve. The S-curve comes when a company hits an acceleration point, when suddenly it really starts to take off and make profits and grow really quickly. That's the S-curve, the growth. You want to be in before the S-curve. And you might decide then to top out at the top of the S-curve. Because you decide that, okay, this company have exploded. For example, take Tesla, for example. Tesla exploded a couple of years ago. Now, you might feel that Tesla's now at the top of its game. It's just going to be like Ford. It's just going to have a steady income over years, slowly. So it's no longer a growth stock. It might end up having a dividend. It might provide a dividend because it doesn't have the growth anymore. So it offers a dividend and you get a little small percentage and so on. And it grows 5% a year. But I don't think that Tesla has even started its S-curve yet because of the potential of what Tesla can do. So you need to decide what is your target. Now, for me, I put in $5,000. I need $200,000. I don't want to be the richest man in the box. Couldn't care less. I own my own house. I have no car loan. I have no debt. All I want to do is get to $200,000, move more and more into the S&P 500 for security and stability, earn 20% a year, and get dividends and so on, with no risk, no stress. Like my friend who owns Amazon, he has millions of shares of Amazon when they first came out. He never has any stress. Never. Doesn't care about the market crashing 30, 40, 50, 60, 100%. He isn't bothered. He's made so much money. It doesn't matter to him. Because he's got what he needs. It pays him enough money. He's fine. You know, you all need to know what it is you're trying to achieve. And some people don't know. And that's why they don't sell when they're up. They don't know what they're buying. They don't know what their goal is. So the purpose of this show is you are following my journey and everybody else's journey in real time, honestly. And you can see what I'm doing. You can invest what I invest, but I wouldn't, recommend that. I don't give financial advice because my situation is different than yours. I want different things. All right? You might want more money than me, so you need more risk. You might not believe in Virgin Galactic. I do. It's not all about education. Education is important, vitally important. Discipline is vitally important. Control of your emotions is the most important thing. But also, a little bit is belief and a bit of luck. That's why you have a balanced portfolio. You don't put all your money in one stock. I don't know 100% that Virgin Galactic is going to survive. How can I? There's no way. So it's a balanced part of my portfolio. If I lost $9,000 today, would that be a bad thing? Yeah, it would. It'd be a really bad thing. Really, really bad for my portfolio. And anything could happen, but there's no reason why that would happen. But no one can tell you anything. And people that do are people on YouTube trying to get you to watch their channels because it suits them. It makes them money. Well, it's not the truth, is it? No one knows that Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million. No one knows. No one knows anything. So, a balanced portfolio, belief, understanding, rational thought, process, so on and so forth, is vital. Right, we got Day Trader of the Day competition coming up. I said today that my portfolio would be up 2%. I predicted 2%, and most of you thought I was bark raving mad. Well, right now I'm at 1%. So I'm halfway there. If we can get over midday, then I see 2% quite possible. It's not appearing to be a sell-off Friday, but it's early in the day. It's early in the day. So let's see what happens. Anyway, I predicted 2% growth today. And again, that's on my stocks, what I'm in. It's why I'm holding what I'm holding. Everyone's portfolio is different. I own a lot of Tesla. Well, a lot of Tesla. It's not. It is for me 14% of my portfolio. Virgin Orbit. Now, you might say, do you have any regrets? You're not in Virgin Orbit, or Virgin Orbit's doing great. No, because when I sold my Virgin Orbit I didn't stick the money under the bed and go, oh, I wish I'd put it on, I wish I hadn't sold it. When I sold my Virgin Orbit, I put money into Virgin Galactic, so I added another 100. I also bought the S&P 500, which went down. So now I'm up 1.45. So it doesn't matter. I also bought more Tesco. I also bought more Rio Tinto. I also bought Photronics. I also bought Arrival. I think I said that. So my money didn't just sit there. Anyway. If you've just tuned in, we've got our cash prize giveaway coming up soon. If you've not yet subscribed to the video, please subscribe. There you go. And give us a thumbs up, please. Like the video. If you like the video, the stocks go up. Alright? We've got 31 likes right now. We've got 43. I want to get to... I'm going to really push it today. I want 40 likes on this video. We're giving a cash prize giveaway in a minute. Let's do it. 1 minute. 40 likes. You ready? 40 likes. Let's do it. Everybody smash the like button. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Pow, pow. If you want the stocks to go up, if you want energy, if you believe in making money, smash the like button. I said cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Pow, pow. I said cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Pow, pow. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. Say cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Pow, pow. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. Pow, pow. 20 seconds to go. We made 35 likes. Just 5 likes away. Pretty close. Pretty close. 36. Thank you very much. Okay. Now then, I'm going to go and give you a chance to sign the Book of Condolence. This is marked in history. I'm going to take a quick 1 minute break, run a commercial break. So there are 2 books of condolence. There's the Day Trader book, Leave Your Message for the Queen and the King. It'll be there forever in history. It's in the chat. There's the Day Trader one. And I also have the Martin Lucas one, the music one, where my music fans are leaving their messages. This will be there in history. Share the video. Put it on your Facebook page. Invite all your friends to leave a message. It's only 42 seconds long. God Save the King. Leave a message. It's the very first time God Save the King has been sung in our lifetime. And you can leave your message below the video. And it'll be there forever. And then share it on your Facebook page. Alright? Fantastic. Cash prize giveaway coming up. I'll be right back in a minute from now. It might be less. You know it will be. Here we go. Let's have a look. Church says Houston 401k is great if your company matches. If they don't match it, I wouldn't bother because you have to pay tax later on it and you'll lose money if you touch it early. My company is matching. Great. Like button smashed. Do they match it at least 4% or higher? If so, dump all your money in that as much as you can afford, because if they fire you, you get that check cut and they pay the tax. I like that. That's a great top tip. There you go. Buy a 401k, because if you get fired, they pay the tax. That's brilliant. That's the best tip of the day, isn't it? Yeah, I didn't know that. Well, I can't have any of that. I can't have any of that because I'm not employed by anybody. I'm employed by me. I pay my taxes. I employ me. Alright, so there you go. Amazing, isn't it? Right, we got Day Trader of the Day. We got cash prize giveaway coming up. We got all sorts today. Amazing. Brilliant. I had 4,000 in my 401k before COVID. They laid me off, and I got the check in the mail. I filed, and they said I owed nothing. Hey, brilliant! Top tip that. I'm up 1% right now. Photronics is doing well. Rio Tinto. I'm not buying anything, by the way. Virgin Galactic 5.99. Down 5%. How low has SPCE been? Over the last week, 5.72. 5.61. 5.61. Another top tip, you can open an IRA for your kids as soon as they're born. There you go. Well, go ahead, do it. Right, it's 9 o'clock. We've got day trader of the day coming up. We've got our cash prize giveaway. So let's get to it. If you've not yet entered our draw, you're over there on TikTok. No idea why you don't want to win some money. I'm giving away a cash prize today. I do it every Friday. Links in the profile on YouTube. Come and join me. If you're over on Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, let me go and check our Twitchers. Just Mike watching me on Twitch today. What's all that about? Great to have Mike with us today on Twitch. If you've not yet subscribed to me on Twitch, it's free using Amazon Prime. You should all be doing it. And the reason why you should all be doing it is I give a cash prize away for free every month. For free using your Amazon Prime Gaming. It's free. Amazon pay the subscription. It gives me a tip and I give it back to you in cash prizes. Here is Twitch. Everyone with Amazon Prime who lives on planet Earth can have this for free. Who is using Twitch anyway? Twitch is growing very, very quickly. This is Twitch. Amazon are trying to compete with YouTube. The purpose is, Mr. Clockwork, you don't need to watch it. Just have it in the background. Look, this is my Twitch running right here. Look, and I've got 19 subscribers. See at the top? Just set to renew every month. It gives me a $1.85 tip. Nice, right? And then I give it back to you in a cash monthly first Friday of the month. I mean, and if I could have people open a separate tab, keep it running in the background, I earn ad revenue, and the ad revenue I get is included in my cash prize giveaway. Every single person here has got Amazon Prime. Every single person here can subscribe to me on Twitch, and also helps grow my YouTube channel. Gets bigger prizes for everybody. It's a no-brainer. I don't know why everyone doesn't do it. I don't know why you don't do it. Are you mental? you don't want free money. What's going on? My job to be here. Yeah, it is. It is his job. That's right. Absolutely right. Now then, despite Virgin Galactic down today, I am up 1%. That's a balanced portfolio if I ever saw one. Amazon might buy FLWS. Amazon buying everything right now. I subscribe to you on Twitch, but just to support you too. But I don't like it. Fair enough. No, I prefer YouTube. I think the quality's better. I mean, it's just better. But hey, Twitch exists. I'm live on Twitch. I'm live on Twitter right now. Did you know that? I'm live on Twitter right now. I'm live on LinkedIn right now. I'm on Facebook Live right now. I'm on my Facebook profile right now. I'm even live on my website right now. I'm also live on Volume today. Yep, I'm live on Volume as well. I'm not so sure that's really working out for me. No one tends to watch. It's a music platform. But I'm live there as well. I'm live everywhere. Because at the end of the day, you discover more in a bigger audience. And it all drives in. I'm live on TikTok. I slay, so don't get in the way. No, that's right. I want to buy at 580. You work for us, Martin. Never forget this. Correct. It is true. You work for us, Martin. Never forget it. He's dead right. As members, you fund and you support the live shows, and I do. What about Mixcloud? I'm not live on Mixcloud. There you go, I missed one. Send me information on Discord all about it. Maybe I'll look at it. It's your show, Martin. There you go. It's not viable for me to get in. I mean, it's not worth it. It's 607, it's not worth it. It's got to go lower for me to buy more. All right? It's got to go lower than that. There's no point. Absolutely no point. Right. The overall portfolio, 1.1. I said 2% today. Right. Let's do day trader of the day. We've got a cash prize giveaway coming up in a minute as well. Very, very exciting. So, how many people are in the draw right now? There were 19. Let me refresh the screen. There are now 20. Just 20 people in the draw. That's it. 20 people. Very easy to win the money. Most people are lazy. It's true. Most people are lazy. I get begging letters from people every day saying, please give me some money. And I go, you can have free money. You can have free money. All you got to do is watch this minute video and leave a comment. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Well, why not? I make money from the ads, so I give you the money. Well, I don't want to do that. I just want you to give me free money. Well, you can't be bothered. And I get that all the time. I can't wait so I can give away $1,000 cash prize. And people will still go, well, can't be bothered. I haven't got any money. Well, do you work hard? Do you invest in yourself? No. Do you save for the future? No. Stop spending money on McDonald's and put it on the stock market. Can you afford a McDonald's? Well, yeah, I have a McDonald's every Sunday. Well, why don't you put that $5 onto the stock market? Oh, I don't do that. Can you give me some free money? Well, you can have some free money, just watch the video. No, I don't do that. Well, there you go. That's why you got no money. It's easy, really, isn't it? We all start the same. I never inherited any money. I never had any money from my parents. No one ever gave me anything. I left home at 16, just like everybody else. Right, day trader of the day, and then we're going to give away a cash prize. You ready? I'm up 1.44. You may remember I predicted a gain today of 2%. A gain today of 2%. Don't forget, if you want your name on the screen, if you do a super chat, your name will appear on the screen, and you'll go down in history. It's always good. You ready? Okay, here we go. So, wait. I'm up 1.36%. Stop cheating. You got to wait until I say. Why do you always cheat? Why does everybody cheat? 1.36. Caden Youngquist is up 1%. Mr. Clockwork is down 0.19. Only slightly, though. That's not bad, is it? Chris is down 3.75. What are you investing in to be down that much? The whole market's up today. All global markets are up today. What are you investing? I'd like to know. Share on Discord. Up 5.77 because long and oil. Margin Friday. I'm not sure. Erin Way, great to be here. Great to be here, Erin Way. Lovely to have you here. Love the picture, by the way. Brickmark is down 1.32. Norse is up 5.77. Looks like Norse is going to win today. Looks like Norse is going to win. Fusion up 1.36. Church of Logic. Every day is up now. He got rid of COVID. Dexter Sickles up 12. I thought you were down. Dexter Sickles is up 12%. Absolute 12.92. Well, guess who's doing a super chat song today then? Who's doing a super chat song today then? Wow, Dexter Sickles. Congratulations, 12.92. There you go. And you were saying it's going to have a bad day. Bloody hell. Hang on a minute. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up and let's have the sound effects. Here we go. Fusion is just behind 12.92. Wow. Queen is up. So glad I found this channel last year. We are glad that you found us as well. We are very glad that you found us as well. If you all have Fang stocks, you would be up 12%. Well, if I wasn't, if I didn't have Virgin Galactic, I'd probably be up a lot more today. But there you go. Fusion is up 12%. I know. I saw it. There we go. Excellent stuff. I'm still rising. 1.52. All right, we got day trader of the... Oh, we just done that. We got day trader of the day. Done that. Do we get any more subscribers? 4803, 4805. Very nice indeed. I want to get to 100,000, and you know why? At 100,000, I get the plaque on the wall. I'd love that. I absolutely love that. 100,000 subscribers. I would love that. Right. So then, it was Rio and others. Yeah, Rio Tinto. It's 3.5% of my portfolio. It's about right. Hey, Dexter Sickles. Oh, I got all excited then. I got all excited then for a minute. I saw it pop up and I went, oh my gosh, I got a tip. It was Dexter Sickles celebrating. He's been a member for 3 months. His badge has changed colour now. There you go. You'll have the yellow one and then the gold and then, of course, the famous red one. Right. In 5 minutes, it's our cash prize giveaway. There we go. I got a super chat from Mike. There we go. Thanks, Mike. Brilliant. Thank you very much, Mike. Right, we got our cash prize giveaway coming up in a second. And if anybody wants to sponsor this week's newsletter, going out on Sunday, 262 people, 65% open rate, which is off the scale with anyone's emails, anyone email analytics. $10, you can sponsor. I'm holding the price for today again. I'm doing it another little discount because economic climate being what it is. If you want to sponsor the newsletter, you get a line of information. If, you know, a couple of lines is not restricted to one line. You get a link to your channel or your website or your business or whatever it is you want it to link to, and you get a picture, a little thumbnail as well. And it's $10 in the super chat, and you can sponsor this Sunday's newsletter. We don't have anybody for this Sunday's newsletter. Check Rio for me, please. I want to see the yield again. Rio Tinto. 12.58. 12.58, but we are ex-dividend. Would you put the picture? Yes, I would. Absolutely, I would, Caden. I would put the picture you requested. It's in Discord. I apologise. I would do that for you. No problem at all. Yeah, absolutely right. Not going to say no, am I? No. You sponsor the newsletter, but I ain't showing the picture that you want. I'm showing the picture I want. Oh, that's brilliant. Anyway, yeah, I'm receiving $109. Got to do more on the company. $109. That's what I'll receive on September. And then the next quarter, I'll have it again. All right. So we're coming up now to our cash giveaway. So before we do it, I'm going to give everyone a chance to do this now, because this is special right now. We have 2 books of condolences for the Queen and our new King. To mark history, it's a 42-second video. There are 2 books, one on the day trader. Here it is. Go and watch it now. Watch it through 42 seconds, and please leave a comment below. And your comment will remain there forever. Please share the video on your social media and all that stuff, and it'll be there. It's the very first time, probably, that God Save the King was sung, and you will have your name below it. It's like a book of condolence, if you like, for the future. And I also have the Martin Lucas channel, which is the music channel, and you might like to put your name below that book as well. Again, 42-second video. I've posted it twice. There it is. And you can leave your comment below. And there you go. All right, you done that? I'll give everybody a minute to watch that and do that. It's only 42 seconds long. It's now time to do our cash prize giveaway. We do it every Friday. And on the first Friday of the month, we have 2 cash prize giveaways, right? So we've got a minute or so to go. I'm going to give everyone the chance to go and watch those videos. And then we'll do it. The overall portfolio is up 0.94. Just fell back slightly. Let me share with you. I predict 2% today. And if we can hold up today, 1.5%, even 2%, by the end of the day, I feel good. I feel good. I will feel a lot happier once my portfolio reaches 50,000, which it should. And on some news, it can do that at any point. Will Rio just add the dividend to the brokerage account on the 22nd? Will it show up? Rio Tinto, I'll show you. You have to go into your brokerage account and set how you like to do it. I have it set for reinvest the dividend. On the 22nd of September, look, it'll clear by the end of the day, and by the following day, at the end of the trading day, it would have purchased the shares, and I will end up with 2 free shares basically of Rio Tinto. Now what you can do is you can do it manually. So then you are waiting for a dip, because let's be honest, it might rise throughout the day and then you buy it at the peak. So you could argue, hey, I want to buy it on the dip. But overwhelming evidence shows, if we automatically put money in our bank every week, if we automatically reinvest our dividends every week, every month, rather than doing manually, because manually we sometimes don't. The money gets lost and you don't do it. You think, oh, I've got $109, Virgin Galactic looks a better deal. You don't do it. It's best, in my opinion, even though you might pay more, remember it's free money. It's free money. It's a return on your investment, right? It's why you're not earning as much in growth, right? But it's your money, and at the end of the day, you reinvest it at the price it is, and you forget it, and it just goes in, and you don't pay any tax on that up to a certain amount either. Dividend gains is different than the profits you make by selling. It's regarded slightly different. You can earn up to so much money. Anyway, did everybody leave a comment below the videos? Let me do a bit of name and shaming, shall I? Who left a comment? That's the Martin Lucas channel. Let me go over to the Day Trader channel. Let's name and shame a few people, and then we got cash prize giveaway. It's time. 3 minutes late, actually. Who's counting? Everybody. Everybody's counting. Right. Let me have a little look. Okay. Let me have a little look. Let me see who commented below. 26 comments. Newest first. I will reply to everyone's comments as well, and you'll be there in history. So, this is the Day Trader one. Aaron Way commented. Elpa Joe, Mike, Chris, Jason, Zach, Mr. Clocky, Peter, Yoel, Ace, Real Ray, Leah. Thanks, Leah. Stu Walk, Mike, Crag, Nickyboy Gaming. There we go. So there's many of you that haven't done it yet. Please do go and do it. It'd be a wonderful thing if you could do it. It's only 42 seconds long. Wait, I did the... Yeah, I don't see it. It's not showing up. Caden. There are two. There's the Martin Lucas one. I wasn't looking on the Martin Lucas one. There are two. That's the Martin Lucas one. If you want to go to the Martin Lucas channel, because there are two for the music fans and then the day trader fans. Some of you are doing both, which is nice. And there's the day trader. Okay. It's cash prize giveaway. I left a comment on the ML channel. Thank you very much indeed. You do whichever one you want. Some people are doing both. They're about the same. There's not one bigger than the other right now. Anyway, it's cash prize giveaway. So, we're going to give away a cash prize now. We do it every single Friday. Is everybody ready? Is everybody over from TikTok? Okay, so we're giving away, we do it every single Friday. So here we go. First thing you got to do, otherwise you won't be in the draw, have you subscribed to the channel? I'm only going to give you the rules once. There you go. Have you subscribed? Yep. Has everyone thumbed up the video? If you've not thumbed up the video, it won't be included. My analytics only rewards the fans of the show, not for bots, not for lazy people. So everyone smash the like button. If you've not smashed the like button, you won't be in the draw. Done it? All right, everyone done that? Okie dokie. And now then, we do it every single Friday. And to be in the draw, you receive a weekly newsletter which goes out on Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. If you wish to get this Sunday's email so you can be in next Friday's cash giveaway, you need to get it. If you've not got it, if you've not entered it, you won't be in this week's draw. Here is the newsletter. There it is in the chat. When you click on it, you will see this page here. What you do is you put your email in. Hang on, let me show you. You put your email in there, the day trader. This is our all links page with all our perks and benefits. You scroll down, you can see everything else. But right at the top is the email. Once you've registered the email, it will probably go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. The email you are looking for, I'll put in the chat right now, is the daytrader@martinlucas.com. There it is. And on Sunday, you will receive the email 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT every single Friday. And once a month on the first Friday, I have 2 cash giveaways. In there, it will tell you to watch a video. This week was the same. This was the email to watch. Our sponsor last week was Caden Youngquist. There he is. And the video you had to watch was at the bottom of the video. Did you watch the video? Cash prize giveaway. Did you leave the word the community? Did you follow the rules? And it's always in the same place. This was our weekly newsletter. There's our tour in England, by the way, if you want to be there with me and get yourself the Day Trader apparel. And then you'll be in the draw. So now I go over to the draw itself. Here it is. And you watched that video there. You left the word community. And how many people are in? There are just 13 people in. Let me refresh it. There are now just 20 people. That's it. All there is. So now we scroll over to here and we do the cash prize giveaway. And you've got to be in to win it. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Now, before I do the draw, click the live button. If you are not up to date, on the bottom of the screen, it says live. And if it's grey, you're behind. If it's red, you're up to date. Click that, make sure you are live. If you are not live, you might be too late to claim the prize and you will lose. So make sure that you've clicked live. You ready? Everybody done it?